San Antonio police officer is shot twice while chasing an armed suspect through a residential neighborhood. But the encounter doesn't end there. Despite being wounded, the officer stays on the radio, calling out the gunman's direction of travel. Another officer realizes where the suspect is heading and moves to intercept him. Seconds later, the two come face to face. What that officer could not have known was that somewhere along the escape route, the suspect had discarded his handgun. On August 13, 2021, San Antonio police responded to the area of Lakewood Drive after an anonymous caller reported a man waving a handgun and threatening people near a convenience store. The suspect was later identified as 35-year-old Steven Primm. Officer Jesus Hernandez, a 16-year veteran of the San Antonio Police Department, was among the first officers to locate Primm, who was riding a bicycle near an elementary school. We'll start with the original 911 call, from the anonymous caller reporting a man waving a handgun, followed by Officer Hernandez's dashcam and bodycam.
I was calling because I just left the store, the pit stop, and there was a few guys out there, and one pulled out a gun, and he was threatening the other guy that he was going to shoot him, and he was right in front of the store, so the store owner wanted me to call it in. But he was on his bike, and then he went up to the guy told him no, so then he went back to where he was, but then pulled out a gun and said that he was going to shoot him. And then I saw the gun, my eyes went to the gun, and that's why I was like, I told the store owner, and she said if I don't mind reporting it.
240 on Odessa going southbound. There's a male on a bike. I'm gonna turn around and see if that might be him. Yeah, 240 has been updated. He doesn't have blue jeans on, but he does have a backpack. He's heading towards, he's on Whitecliff heading towards Diane. Have 250 go that way.
Since the suspect was believed to be armed and was in close proximity to a school, Officer Hernandez decided to wait until the suspect left the area before attempting to stop him.
240 gonna be on Diane, crossing over Stoneley. I'm gonna let him get away from this school. He's on foot now. He's right here at the corner.
He's here at the corner.
He's taking off his backpack. He's running southbound towards the next street over. He's in the alleyway.
When Officer Hernandez attempted to stop Primm abandoned his bicycle and fled on foot. After Primm gained some distance, Hernandez immediately broadcast his direction of travel, advising responding officers that the suspect was running toward an alley behind the nearby homes. Officer Darius Wilson-Wayne, who had approximately 1 year of service with the San Antonio Police Department, spotted Primm in the alley and attempted to stop him. Primm continued running, and Wilson-Wayne gave chase through the residential neighborhood.
Hey man, come here. Come here.
During the foot pursuit, Primm suddenly turned and opened fire, striking Officer Wilson-Wayne twice.
Hey! 250, I got him. I'm running. You're running southbound. Get on the ground!
Despite being wounded, Officer Wilson-Wayne remained on the radio and continued calling out the suspect's direction of travel. Officer Hernandez heard those broadcasts, anticipated where Primm was heading, and moved to intercept him.
Which way did he go? Okay. Stay back, stay back.
Just hold the perimeter.
You're coming in fast. You said he's at gunpoint.
All right, you got it.
He should be hit us.
All right, 240, he's in the alleyway. No, he's in an open field behind the car wash. He's got the gun in his hand.
He's in the alleyway in the open field, has a gun in his hand.
Give me a location. Give me an intersection.
All right, he's running back.
Seconds later, Primm came around the corner of the building and suddenly found himself face to face with Officer Hernandez. Officer Hernandez immediately opened fire, striking Primm.
Stand by.
White shirt, blue stripe. Wearing a white shirt with blue stripe, khaki short.
The white shirt, khaki short.
Guys, shoot priority. Suspect down.
240, he's down.
Steven Primm was pronounced deceased at the scene. Investigators later confirmed that Primm had discarded his handgun on a nearby rooftop after shooting Officer Wilson-Wayne, so when Officer Hernandez confronted him, Primm was no longer armed. But Officer Hernandez could not have known that. Officer Hernandez was intercepting a suspect reported armed with a handgun who had fled from police and had just shot another officer. Investigators also determined that Primm was wearing a dark-colored cast or brace around his wrist and hand, which became relevant to what Officer Hernandez perceived during the rapidly developing encounter. Officer Wilson-Wayne was treated for 2 gunshot wounds and survived his injuries. This case is an important reminder that an officer's use of force must be evaluated based on what the officer reasonably knew and perceived at the moment force was used, rather than solely on facts discovered afterward. This is Texas Safety Watch, where we break down what legally matters, what tactically matters, and the lessons that can be learned from critical incidents across the country. Until next time, stay aware, stay safe, and God bless. We'll see you in the next case.